post.
59-9.
No, the scores would be.
You have to win by 2 points.
Yeah, I win by 2 points.
And so it's 8-9. Oh, that was
Loves it.
The luck is with you, Eric. There were so many little luckiest things in the world.
Yeah.
Everything was like barely post.
Well, almost all of your points were ones that I knocked in myself.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah,
Hey,
right.
I didn't make you knock it in. You did it yourself.
Exactly.
So?
This is the deal.
Why are you complaining then?
I'm just saying that I gave you.
Eric's the champion.
Keep talking, Eric.
Okay.